Welcome coffee enthusiast! Today let's master the art of using the 3-in-1 Portafilter with your InstaCuppa Espresso Coffee Maker. For a single aromatic cup of espresso, attach the 1 cup filter by turning it clockwise. Add 1 scoop of your favorite fresh ground coffee to the filter. Tamp the coffee grounds firmly, creating a perfect base for your espresso. Now, lock the filter by turning it anti-clockwise, securing the grounds in place. Ready for the magic? Press the 1 cup button and watch as a single shot of espresso crowned with creamer fills your cup. For a bolder experience with a double shot, attach the 2 cup filter to the Portafilter. Add 2 generous scoops of coffee grounds. Next, it's time to tamper the coffee grounds. This step is crucial for optimal water extraction while brewing. Lock the Portafilter and press the 2 cup button to start brewing. Behold, as 2 shots of espresso with velvety creamer fills your cup. To switch things up with easy serve espresso pods, attach the 1 cup filter. Insert your favorite easy serve espresso pod into the filter for a hassle-free experience. Lock the Portafilter securely and press 1 cup to brew. Watch as the rich aromatic coffee, courtesy of easy serve espresso pods, fill your favorite mug. You have mastered the versatile 3-in-1 Portafilter with your InstaCuppa Espresso Coffee Maker. Enjoy your perfect cup every day. Brew it simple, brew it with InstaCuppa.